Hey everybody, welcome back to the VMP Performance channel. I'm Justin and I am here on the dyno. What's up, man?
What's going on, buddy?
Eric, one of our good customers. We're over at Alternative Auto in Michigan, Lidio's shop. Eric's got his car strapped down on the dyno. It's got a Gen3R sitting on top of it. Tell us what's done to the car.
This is a sleeve block, I-beam rods, diamond pistons, Brett Barber sported heads.
I see you snuck the big JLT 148 onto the S550.
It's not supposed to fit, but we wanted to make sure it could breathe, right?
Yeah, it's got our 163R throttle body on it. Looks like a full fuel system.
4 triple hat in it.
What size injectors?
ID 1300s.
I don't see a coolant reservoir up here, so...
Nope, we have all 1-inch lines.
You want to show them what that setup looks like?
Absolutely. So we have all 1-inch lines back here. We got a 7-gallon ice tank, and we have an EMP pump. The 1-inch line upgrade really flows a lot better.
Circulates a lot of water.
Absolutely. It flows good.
What these blowers need to make sure they stay cool.
Absolutely, and we're seeing that with the results on the dyno.
This is a super clean car. I see it's full interior. You got some street tires on right now, but I think she usually wears slicks and skinnies.
Yeah, normally we're on ET Street R, drag radio 17s.
17s because of the IRS, yeah. This is a super sweet ride. Eric's been a customer of ours for a long time. He originally had a Roush 2.3 liter TVS. Never had a 2.3 liter TVS.
Right? Nope, I went from 2.3 liter Ford Racing Whipple kit that actually was meant to fit S197 car.
Oh, okay.
And then we went from that to a 2.9 Whipple, Gen 2. And then we went to a Gen 3 Whipple, and that was all rear inlet, but the thing just lost steam. Yep, we did the Gen3R secret sauce, and I mean, it far surpassed what we were hoping for. So,
well, with all that said, let's make a pull and see what she lays down.
Absolutely.
EMP pump is just humming away. Woo. Straps are nice and tight. You guys ready?
Yep. Started out at 24. Yeah, I'm gonna go to 32 unless you guys want to try something different.
No, 32 sounds good. We're gonna put a little bit of air in the drag radials. We had them aired down just to make sure the car would hook, but sometimes that can also affect your horsepower ratings because drag radials have such a soft sidewall. It absorbs some of the power instead of putting it into the roller. Air in the tires, we let it cool down, put a fresh bag of ice in it, make a pass and see what she does. Ready when you are, Lidio. Oh, I think I see a cleaner line up there on the dyno. I have to go out and check it out. It made 1092 STD. You can see right here, all the way, still making power at 8,200 RPM, running about 21, 22 pounds of boost. If you want to do the SAE numbers, 1069 rear wheel horsepower SAE, pretty incredible with just 21, 22 PSI. We decided to take off the 2.6 pulley and install a 2.4 inch Grip Tech pulley. It should make about another 2 pounds of boost. We're gonna see how much power it makes. Maybe it'll crack 1100. We'll see here in a second. for that magic number, guys?
Yep. I'm gonna start.
I had a little bit of a hiccup there at the start of the pull. Go check and see if we got a clean graph. Oh yeah, 1100 SAE. Picked up 2 pounds throughout the curve. Running about 24 pounds at peak RPM. Right there at 8,000, 1100. And if we want to go look at the STD numbers that people sometimes look at, we are actually 1123 with the STD correction. Did you see the numbers?
I haven't seen them yet. They were over
1100 SAE.
That's pretty good. I'll take that.
So we got the numbers out of it that we wanted to see, right? Broke 1100 rear wheel horsepower. I think that's it for now.
That's it for now.
Gonna take it to the track.
Absolutely.
When's the next track day?
End of this month.
This month. All right. Watch Eric Terbush on the Facebook pages and groups, and he's gonna see what this thing can do. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you next time.